Hello everyone, I am Mary Christine L. Bahao, and today I'm going to discuss the looping statements, while and do while loop in both Java and Python. What is loops or looping? Loops are used to repeat instructions until a certain condition is met. Instead of writing the same code many times, you use a loop to automate repetition. Handy because they save time, reduce errors, and they make code more readable. So loops are used in programming to repeat a set of instructions, actions, or code until a certain condition is met. In other words, loops let the program run a piece of code multiple times without needing to write it over and over. So why are loops useful? First, it saves time. Rather than writing the same lines of code multiple times, a loop allows you to execute the code as many times as you need, just one command. Number two, it reduces errors. Writing the same code repeatedly increases the chances of mistakes. Loops help prevent this by repeating the same instructions automatically, so there's no need for repetitive manual entry. Then last, it makes the code more readable. Loops make your program look cleaner and more organized, especially when you need to repeat actions. The code becomes simpler and easier to follow. Java while loop. Use a while loop to repeat a block of code as long as a condition is true. It's called a pretest loop because it checks the condition before running. So how it works? First, it checks the condition. So the program first checks if the condition is true. Second, if the condition is true, the code inside the loop or the loop body is executed. Then after running the code, the loop stops and the program moves to the next part of the code after the loop. Then, so if the condition is false, exit the loop. So here's an example of Java while loop. So first, mag-select tawag language. Then, so int I is equal to 0. So, ang output na niya is 0 to 4. So, as you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Java do-while loops. The do-while loop is a variant of the while loop. This loop will execute the code block once before checking if the condition is true. Then, it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. How it works. First, run the code block once without checking. Second, check the condition. Third, if true, repeat the block. Then fourth, if false, exit the loop. Python while loops. With a while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as a condition is true. The while loop requires relevant variables to be ready. Remember to increment or else the loop will continue forever or the what we called an infinite loop. So that's all. Thank you for watching.